So this is a continuation of what we have discussed this morning. So in this example, how would you find the time lapses or the time duration from 4:30 a.m. to 2:45 p.m.? So one is in a.m. Let me just take pen. So one is in a.m. and one is in p.m. All right. So to do that one, before we proceed to the skills on how to do it, let's try to analyze the question first. So 4:30 a.m. So maybe let's try to do this. So it's somewhere here. Let's say that's 4:30 a.m. All right. And then 2:45. So after 12 noon, let's assume it's somewhere here. 2:45 p.m. Okay? So from 4:30 in the morning until 2:45 p.m. The question is, how long is that one? What's the time duration for that? Okay, so for you to be able to do that, first is just simply add 12 hours to this. 12 hours to the last one, to the 2:45 p.m. So to do that, we have 2:45. You can split it that way. Then you have plus 12 hours. So you will have 14:45. Okay? Then after that, that's the time that now you can minus the 4:30 a.m. So 14:45 minus 4:30 a.m. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then 1 minus 0 is 0. So meaning there are 10 hours and 15 minutes. Okay? Again, let's try to have a review of the process. Number one is add 12. So that is the step number one, is to add 12 hours. After adding 12 hours, then you minus. The step number two is you subtract now the 4:30 a.m. Again, you do this one if one is in the morning and one is in the afternoon, like a.m. to p.m. or p.m. to a.m. If it's a.m. to a.m. or p.m. to p.m., you don't do this method, okay? Let me just clarify that one. So let's try to have another example. Letter B. So in letter B, the same thing as well that you're going to do. So it's a.m. to p.m. So therefore, what you're going to do is to add 12, okay? Add 12 always. If it's a.m. to p.m., you add 12. So you have there 6:25, then you add 12 hours. So you will have 18:25. And then after 18:25, you minus now the 2:15 a.m. minus, my handwriting is a bit messy here. This is 5, okay? That is 5. So 5 minus 5 now is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 2 is 6, then 1. So meaning that 16 hours and 10 minutes, okay? 16 hours and 10 minutes is the time lapses or the time duration from 2:15 a.m. to 6:25 p.m. Okay? Please try to practice more. Tomorrow we will have some sort of practice assessment whether you understand this topic before we proceed to problem solving. Have a good day and goodbye.